Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. This video was shot years back during COVID. While doing grocery shopping from Amazon Fresh, I came across this item lemongrass which was available there. So I thought of ordering it just to make tea. And then somebody told me that we can actually grow that bottommost part. If we put it on water, we can actually grow lemongrass on our own, and it's a very easy process. It grows very easily, so I thought I will give it a try. And here is what I received. I think it was for 13 rupees or something like that. I used it for making tea. I had this broken cup wherein I'm adding little bit of water. And I'm going to soak this part from the lemongrass here for some 2 days. And I'm going to keep this in my kitchen itself wherein I get indirect sunlight. After about 2 weeks, this is how much it has grown. You can either keep it in these kind of cups or small containers, or you can even grow it in soil as well. So I would suggest that for the initial few weeks, at least for 2 weeks, you can keep it in water. Once it grows well, you can then shift it in soil also. This is after about 4 weeks. The lemongrass is growing quite well and I'm really happy with the results. And I can also see some roots coming in from here, and I think it's the perfect time to shift it in soil if you are planning to grow them well. And also one more thing that we need to remember is to keep changing the water every day, or at least every alternate day, just to keep the lemongrass healthy. If you also buy lemongrass for consuming, you can also try to grow them this leftover part, and maybe you will have lemongrass at your kitchen garden itself. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.